Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use sections on Substack. Sections are a powerful way to organize your content, especially if you publish different types of articles or want to give your readers more control over what they subscribe to. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to substack.com. Once you're on the site, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly so you can access all the publishing features available to you. After logging in, you'll land on your Substack dashboard. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation panel. Click on Create, and from the options that appear, select Article. This is where you'll begin crafting your post, and it's also where you'll assign it to a specific section. Now you're in the article editor. Start by inputting a title for your post. This should be something clear and engaging that tells your readers exactly what they're about to read. Once your title is in place, go ahead and start writing your content. Fill in the body of your article with all the information, insights, or stories you want to share. Once you finish drafting your post, look toward the top of the editor. You'll see an option labeled Choose a Section. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear showing all the sections you've already created in your Substack. Select the section you want this post to belong to. Sections help categorize your content, making it easier for readers to find what interests them most. After selecting your section, click Continue at the top of the screen. This moves you forward in the publishing process and confirms your section choice. Now you'll see a confirmation message that says this post belongs in, followed by the name of the section you just selected. This is just Substack's way of showing you where your post will live once it's published. It's a helpful reminder to double-check you've categorized it correctly. Next, click Send to Everyone Now. This is the button that prepares your post to go live and be delivered to your subscribers. It's the final step before your article reaches your audience. A final prompt will appear asking you to choose either Add Subscribe buttons or Publish Without buttons. Adding subscribe buttons can help convert new readers into subscribers, especially if the post is being shared publicly. Choose the option that best fits your goals for this particular post. And that's it. Your post is now published and organized within the section you chose. This keeps your Substack tidy and gives your readers a better experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.